That shit pricey. But I'ma pull up, pop out fresh. I'ma pull up, pop out fresh. I'ma pull up, pop out fresh. I'ma pull up, pop out. Yeah, yeah. I'ma pull up, pop out. I'ma pull up, pop out fresh. I'ma pull up, pop out fresh. Self-made, bitch. I'm self-paid. So what you tripping on?
Y'all, it's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today, as you can see, we have the Air Jordan Jumpman Jacks, the Chase B and Travis Scott collab. This is the first collab on the Jumpman Jacks. This is Travis Scott's first original shoe. So before we get into the video, we have the Bugs Bunny 8 video. So make sure y'all go watch that video. We also have these pine green foam posits. This video is out, so make sure y'all go watch that video. Still on the road to 2,000 subscribers. It's almost 2026, so we're trying to get there. It's almost 2026, so we're trying to get there before then. We got about 3 weeks to get there. So let's get it to 2,000 subscribers before January 1st. I think we can do it. I believe in y'all. Y'all believe in us. All right, y'all, let's get into the review. All right, excuse my appearance. I just went to go play basketball. This is the box. Box is pretty heavy, good material, very sturdy. Have the crown at the top. Got T-Rex. We also have his logos right here in white. We also have it on this side. We got Jack with the crown on it, Jumpman. Size tag reads black, night, silver, anthrite. All right, it's the inside of the box. I always like the boxes. Very good material, very different from an original Jordan box. I wish all Jordans would come like this, but this is the paper that it comes in. It has some writing on it, and it's black. They come double wrapped. I'm not the biggest fan of the way Jumpman Jacks look, but I actually really like this colorway. As you can see, you can't really tell on the paper, but it has that same writing that the black paper has. It also comes with this sticker on it as well. You see what it says. The Jack graphic will wear off with use over time. So this sticker comes on all the Jumpman Jacks. Of course, once you start wearing the shoe, the designs on the bottom of the shoe, you're not really going to see it too much anymore. It's out the way. All right, so off rip, it comes with 3 lace swaps. It comes with this coral pink, this black and white laces, and then it comes with these regular white laces. As you can see, we have some nice mesh here. We also have it on the toe box as well and near the sock lining. We got some suede right here. This is the light gray. The swoosh is also suede. These are the laces. We have this adjustable strap. It also has his logo here. One of his logos here. Adjustable. We have this pink Jumpman with the Travis Scott crown on the top. I actually do like the pink. I like that it's in it's a nice accent color in my opinion. On the back, you have another one of his logos. And this is what the bottom looks like. This bottom says Chase B. And then this bottom says Jack. Also on the shoe, some more details. We have this leather here, and it has kind of like some detailing in it. On the inside of the shoe, they also have It says Chase B, and this one says Jack. Let's see if I can take the insoles out. Chase B. I'm gonna fix that later. And then Jack on this with the Jumpman with the crown. So again, this is his first collab. Chase B is actually one of his producers and just one of his overall members in his music group and label. So I like that it's like somebody that he knows, somebody that's personal to him, somebody that he works with. I do like that. To be honest, I didn't really know who Chase B was, but I like the shoe. I really like it. This sole, I'm sorry, I forgot to talk about this sole. This sole glows in the dark. As you can see here. I'm not the biggest fan of glow in the dark shoes. I don't know. It's just not for me. But again, I still like the shoe. I really like the colors. So as you can see, they glow in the dark. We still have a little bit of lighting in here, so it's gonna look brighter. Here's the other one. So they do glow in the dark. These are coming out December 19th. I'm not sure exactly where y'all can purchase these shoes, but definitely do your research. Be on the lookout for them. December 19th, Chase B, Travis Scott collab. I really like the shoe. I honestly think it's a must cop. Hopefully y'all could cop at retail. These are pretty limited, but I like the shoe. Oh, I can't really say anything bad about them. I'm not the biggest fan of glow in the dark shoes. It's a little childish to me, but I mean, I like it. You paying $200 plus for the shoes, why not get some cool features? But this has been another episode of Shoe Talk. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Again, we're still on the road to 2,000 subscribers. Make sure y'all go watch those videos that already dropped. And thank y'all for watching. We're wrapping up the year. It's been a great year for shoes. Next year is going to be bigger and better. Peace.
Stripes when you beat the body in a